Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be sharing a brand new phone theme, a wallpaper, and I am so excited because these are super cute. This theme is really cute. It is free and I did find it on just like a random like collection look at this creator, so I am really happy with this theme just because it's free and it's so cute. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. Alright, so here is the name of the theme, and that is the creator. I'm going to just show you the always on display, how it looks like. That is how it looks like. It is a free theme. This is the original cost and it is on sale right now. So I'm just going to apply this theme and show you guys how it looks like. So here it is. Here is the overall look of the theme. So I'm just going to show you guys the beautiful image. We have Happy Valentine's Day, perfect for this week. And then it's like a vintagey background. Super cute wallpaper. It does have like cute little bears and they're holding hearts and flowers and gifts and balloons, and I love the way it looks. It also has matching icons. So here are the three main icons: the phone call, contacts, and messaging. And then this is how the main screen looks like. This is my home screen. So we just have all of the apps right here. Super cute. And the colors are just kind of like neutral. So I'm going to scroll up, and here you guys can see the rest of the phone apps. So the phone apps are really cute. They're kind of like pastel colors, really simple but really cute, and it goes very well with this theme. I really like it, and I like how simple it is. Alright, so here is the messaging. The messaging is just like a purple, darker purple color, and then just kind of like a gray background. It's very light gray, as well as like different shades of gray right here. It's very simple, just purple and taupe color, as well as like a blue color right here, but I feel like it looks really nice if you just want, like, you know, a Valentine's Day phone theme that's free. I really love the way it looks. So here are the lock screen, and the lock screen is pretty simple as well. It's just the same image. Really cute though, so I did want to share with you guys what it looked like and how it's on my phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.